Hello guys, so today we'll see how to download a SQL Server. So for that, first of all, we have to download SSMS if you don't have that in your laptop or in your system. So let's go and download SSMS first. Okay, we will be downloading the 19th version. Okay, so yeah, this one. Let's click on this link. Okay, then click on the SSMS release note. Okay, so now here you can see this is the release of 20, then this is the release note of 19 and earlier. So we'll click on this and here you go. So now let's download this. Okay, so here you can see download SSMS 19.3. So we'll download this, click on this. Okay, so let's download this. Let's download this in a folder. Okay, yeah, let's download this, save. So it is downloading. Oh yeah, here you can see it is downloading. So let's wait a bit. And see download is complete. So here we can see our SSMS is downloaded. So what we have to do is we have to simply click on this. Okay, click on this. Okay, you will see this box after clicking on this. Okay, then here you have to select the location where you want to install, then click install. We will leave it as it is, then yes. Now it will take a while to download the packages, so let's wait a bit. So let's meet once it is downloaded. Okay, okay, so now our installing packages and downloading is completed. So you will see this box, then simply click on close. Okay, after that go to the start menu, then SSMS, type this, then here you can see SSMS. Okay, then open it. Now here you go, you can see our MySQL our SQL Server is downloaded. This is SSMS's SQL Server Management Studio. So here you can select different type of server type. Okay, so here we will leave database engine. We will select database engine, and here also you have got various server name. If you want to, you can browse here, but we will leave it as it is. Then for authentication also there are various options for selection, but we will leave it as Windows authentication. Then we will click on connect. Now here you see it is connected. Now we will create a database and write perform some queries. Okay, then here go, and here you can see all these things, right? Then here go to new, then let's say query with current connection. You can do like this, as well as you can just simply click on this new query, then you will see a query box or query notepad where you can write query like create database. Let's give a database name, let's say student. Okay, then after that, what you can do is you have to select this, then click on this execute, simply this execute. Now you can see our database, our command is successful. That means our database is created. Here you can see our database is created. Okay, so now in this database we will be creating tables, everything. Okay, so let's create a table. Create table, um let's say users. Okay, okay, let's say users. Then inside this we will be adding two things only: id, int, and name. Okay, just this much. Then we will select this, then execute. Our command is successful. Then our we'll refresh it once, then see if user table is created under our wait a second. No, we have to wait a second. Okay, here something must be wrong here. Oh, sorry, we haven't used the database yet. That's why it is created somewhere in some other places. Okay, use student. First of all, we have to use the database. Then we have to create the database. Okay, so now we have to refresh it. Here you can see database user is created with column ID and name. You can see our database is created. So let's go and insert into this database. Okay, insert into users, values 1 comma city, 2 comma zone. Okay, now we have to select this and execute. Okay, so let's provide the column name as well. Okay, execute. Okay, so it is executed. Then now let's print this. Select. Here you can see zone and CTR insert. So like this, we can write, download and install SQL Server and write the SQL queries. So that's it for the video. I hope you understand. So if you get some confusion, any confusion, then please write it down in the comment section. And thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.